7 plus 7.
7 plus 7 is 14.
Very good. 8 plus 8.
16.
16 plus 16.
32.
Very good. 6 plus 6.
6 plus 6, 12.
Wow, good job. 5 plus 5.
10.
Yeah, the best boy. 4 plus 4.
8.
Yes, correct. 3 plus 3.
6.
Yes, bravo, excellent. Then 2 plus 2.
4.
Wow, Finn. 10 plus 5.
15.
Wow, correct. Can you count?
Yeah.
Can you count by 5? 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 30, 45, 50.
55.
55.
60.
60.
Come on, 65.
65.
70.
70.
Come on, 75.
75.
What's 80?
80. 90.
85.
85.
90.
90. 100.
95.
195.
100. Correct. Okay, how about the twos? Finn.
2, 4, 8,
6,
10,
8, 10, 12,
12,
14, 14,
14,
16.
16, 18, 20.
Very good.
And also
How about the threes?
22,
24,
24, 28,
26,
26,
then 28,
28,
30. Correct.
No, that's not 2.
Okay.
30 is not 2. It's only 3.
No, after 28 is 30. Okay, how about the threes?
No,
3.
it's 29. Dirty.
No, this is the even numbers. That's correct. 30 after 28, 29, 30. Okay, that's all. How about the threes? Finn. 3, 6, 9,
12,
correct? 15,
15, 18,
18, correct?
18, then
21,
21,
24,
24, 28,
7,
7.
then 30.
Mom,
Wow, excellent. Okay, bye. Say bye.
where's that? Mom, he's not. Play with me.
Okay, wait. Say bye. Bye first. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Smile. Finn.
But